Hey, what's up guys, it's me Mehdi Shakil, and today in this video I'm gonna review this cheapest Bluetooth gamepad which comes only in $15 US. You can use this gamepad with your Android and iOS smartphone and also with your PC. So further than ado, let's start the review video about this gamepad.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.
Nowadays, gaming on a smartphone is very common. You can take your smartphone gaming to the next level using a gamepad or gaming controller with your smartphone. In this video, I am going to review this MOCUTE 050 Bluetooth gaming controller which comes in very cheap price. It's a Bluetooth control gamepad which works with every Android, iOS, PC or gaming console. I got this device from banggood.com. If you want to buy this gamepad, I will add the best buy link of this gamepad in description below. You can get this device from there. Now out of this box you will get this gamepad with a USB cable and a user manual. Now let's have a closer look to the design of this gaming controller. To the middle of this gamepad you will see the branding of MOCUTE and their company title. On the right hand side you will get ABXY button with the start button, also a mode button with mode LED indicator and the right joystick. To the left hand side you will get the left joystick with the arrow key, and also you will get the select key, power button and a power LED. Left side on the top of this gamepad you will get L1 L2 key, and the right hand side you will get R1 R2 key. The body of this gamepad made with normal plastic, and frankly speaking it's not feel so good, and the size of this gamepad is very small and I am not happy with the grip. But if you think about the price, it's okay in this price. This gamepad has non-removable 3.7 volt lithium battery which is rechargeable using the USB cable. There is a mini USB port under the mobile rack to recharge the battery from any USB source. You can add your mobile phone or tablet with the gamepad using the mobile rack. Like this, you can open the mobile rack and attach your mobile phone or tablet here, and it will stack here properly. But for some device, it have an issue with the power button and the rack head, because sometimes the mobile power buttons comes under the rack head and it switch off the device and lock the device. This gaming controller works from up to 10-meter distance from the device, and it can give you 40 hours continuous gaming time with full recharge battery. Now let's see how to connect the device with your smartphone. Press the power key for 2 seconds and the blue LED will be flash and blinking. Now turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone. You will see a device named MOCUTE Gaming Controller. Now pair that device to connect the gamepad as a physical keyboard with your phone. Default mode of this gamepad is auto. Also you can change the mode to iCat for iOS device and manual mode with the combination of power button and ABXY key. Response time of this gamepad is very good. I can easily play the racing game using this gamepad. But not all the game gets support with this gaming controller. There is some game which work properly with the auto mode. For unsupported game, you need to set your gamepad as a gaming controller with the gaming setting option. I will try to put down some supported game list which can be controlled using this gamepad very easily. So that was it for the review about this gamepad. If I missed something to show you in this video, then let me know in the comment box. And if you know any game which is support to this gaming controller, also add them in comment box. If you like this video, so please give a thumbs up to this video, because your like and dislike really matter to me and it inspires me to make more awesome videos for you. I am Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SSTec tutorial, and I am signing out.